Hey everybody, my name is Mr. David Walsh, and I am your professor for Chemistry 117 500. Meets on Fridays at 5 o'clock, and we're going to do something a little bit different than most kind of traditional chemistry classes, or most traditional classes in general. We're going to do something called the flipped model. So let me walk you through what you need to do and how it works. Okay, first things first, let me get rid of my head. See ya. Okay, and what you're going to need to do is you are going to need this access code right here. Okay, so I would pause the video and I would write this access code down correctly. K, capital, all capital, K6HJN5PSTW. Okay, and what that is going to get you to do is that's going to be an access code for all the information in this class. You can see I've already outlined some of these things, even for the lecture on Friday. So this is going to be kind of crazy here, but let me show you what you need to do. Go to Schoology.com. Okay, so here's Schoology.com. And then you are going to you are going to sign up, unless for some reason you actually have used Schoology in the past. Okay. And then you're going to sign up as a student, and it's going to give, and that's where you put that access code in there. Okay. And once you do that, that's going to unlock the rest of your stuff. So it's pretty cool. So here's the way that this is going to work. Every week, instead of coming to class and listening to me lecture, which trust me isn't that fun, I have all the lectures, or I will release the lectures a little bit in advance. So if we open up your lecture notes for this upcoming Friday, I try to make it as accessible as possible. Some people want to have the PowerPoint, so I have the PowerPoint, and then for each part of this, what I have done is a link to my YouTube videos, and I have made YouTube videos. Let me make this bigger. Okay, and so this is the YouTube video on chemistry. Okay, and so you get through this. Okay, you get to listen to me talk, and you can see, I mean, there's stuff here, and I'm able to write on this and annotate. I have a nice tablet computer, so I'm able to write and do stuff. So you can see that I'm doing all sorts of stuff there. Okay, so your job is to take notes on all of this. Okay, once you have taken notes on each video, and I try to keep the videos, 10 minutes-ish. Some are a little shorter, some are a little longer. This one is 5 minutes, so it's pretty short. Other videos in the series are longer. I think that this one may be 8 minutes. This one may be 8 minutes and things like that. But anyway, so your homework, once you watch a video, you'll notice that there's a corresponding WSQ with that same title. So what the WSQ is a Google form that you need to open up, and you can use this little tab, this little thinger right there. Okay, that's going to open it up into a new page. Okay, and what this does is it is your feedback on whether you have watched the video, not watched the video, whether you understood it, and then let me fill this in just so you can see. I didn't watch the video. How well did I understand it? Right in the middle, 4. Okay, and then you can see here, I'm asking you to kind of summarize what's in the video. Now that question there, the summarized question, changes from video to video to video. Okay. So then you're going to go through, and for this week, I'm going to see if you guys can get through 4 videos. Okay, so it's a total of about 20 minutes, 25 minutes of video instruction and the 4 WSQs. Okay, now WSQ stands for Watch, Summarize, Question, just so you know. Okay, now let's say you are really wanting to try out some of these things. What I have here are sample problems right from the book that are me going over how I would answer those problems. The book, you say? Well, let me go here. And with the book, I have a copy of the book right here. That's a digital copy. So you can digitally get it. You're going to have to download the file because it's huge. Obviously, it's textbook. Okay, but there it is. And then here's my syllabus. Okay, so the syllabus you can definitely open up, and it's a reference. It's got the schedule and the grading and all of that stuff. Okay, I'll call it up, and then you can see the couple of things that I think are important. So when we go down through and you are students looking for the important things are, here's the grade scale on the 3rd page of this thing, and then the topic. I try to work hard lining up the topic of the week with the lab, so that way you're not getting too far behind. It's tough, I get it, but I'd rather get this figured out. And then you'll notice that there are 1, 2, 3, 4 exams kind of as equally spaced as I can get them. Okay, you may want to mark those down. Okay, those are probably the important parts for students, but this is also right in Schoology for you to be able to look and see. And the last thing that I want to show you is my YouTube channel. I have something like 300 videos, almost all of them on chemistry, in my channel. So if you need to know anything, they're here, plus all the videos that I have made for this class is here. The other thing to do is to look at my playlists. I have put this playlist together, which is every single problem that I have answered in terms of Brown-LeMay Burston 13th edition. So that's kind of overview of how I can help you as much as I can without being in class. It's up to you to work hard and do the best you can. So just like this says right behind me, Chem is try, and I look forward to meeting you on Friday.